type thing here, okay? What we have is, you know, our raw salmon fillet, or side, right, with our salt and sugar, dill and lemon zest. Okay, so equal parts salt and sugar. So you have 3 cups of salt, 3 cups of sugar, 2 zested lemons, and some dill. Okay, and then we apply this in the packing method on our salmon. It sits with another pan on top, right, with weight, right? So we use a pan to press, and after 6, 7 days, can go for 10. This is what you have. So we'll take a look at what this is. This is just cheesecloth to like keep all of the compound on the thing instead of having it all over here, right? So what we have is there's going to be this color change. See the color difference in the two? The salt actually is like pulling out all that moisture. It's in a way kind of cooking it, minus the heat, right? And what you have left is this real like nice looking side, right? You can see how it goes from that to this. Pretty neat, right? And you don't usually get to see like before and after type of effects. So this is a really good thing to see. Now, yes.
Just cut that and eat that with it.
You can eat this as is, ready-to-eat product. What you do is you would come in now and you start slicing paper thin on a bias for this, and the whole thing would be sliced. Okay. This needs to get rinsed. Okay. To stop the process, set a pellicle, and then we're going to bag it and keep it, okay, refrigerated.
How long can you keep it in the refrigerator?
Slice it in, or you slice it yourself?
You slice it with your knife.
Oh.
Yep.
How long does it take for the pellicle to form?
Usually overnight is the best for setting pellicles, and you can keep the product for this, if it's vacuum sealed, sliced, and then vacuum sealed, months.
Wow.
And usually we use like, you know, something, you know, like this to slice it, paper thin. Alright, so we're gonna get this rinsed and
First, right? Try that.
we'll rinse that. Yeah, you want to rinse all that salt and sugar off of it. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to grab a new cheesecloth and wrap that one up in this and reset ours and finish theirs. So this one gets rinsed now. I'm going to take it over to the sink, rinse it with cold water. How firm it is.
It looks like it looks crazy, like it's so like.
The tail is really firm, but up here is a little soft.
Oh, yeah, because it's thinner.
Yeah.
So do you want it to be the softer? Is that the better?
This is ideal right here. Stiff. The tail is always super cured because it's so thin.
Right.
But we always want to cure it to the thickest part.
Okay.
So up here is what we would want. That's ideal.
That's the ideal. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, blanch them in your pickling. So that's cheese. That's why I got this, so I can lay it on too. Yeah, and then we would just dry that out, and it's done.
What's the recipe for this? Can I get it?
Yeah, equal parts salt, sugar, dill, and lemon zest.
That's it?
Yep.
That's too easy,
Equal parts. Depends on how much. If I had a small piece, maybe I'd do a cup of sugar, cup of salt, lemon, and dill. If I had this whole thing, you know, 3 cups, I'll make sure I have enough of this to get around it. All right. We can do it simply like this. Basically, if you want, you take this salt, put it on the bottom, spread it out to where it's going to be touching. Take your salmon on the salt and sugar. The rest of it, on top.
It sits in the fridge for 7 days.
Yep.
It's hard to throw in the trash. You can't too long.
This one I'm not gonna. I'll just repack it, you know, on Monday.
But you still put the pan on top and all that.
Yeah, you don't need cheesecloth. It just helps keep it like this. You can do it just like this at home. You don't have to have cheesecloth.
So
Just
if
as
you did-
long as the salt and sugar. What we want to do is for it to osmosis. We want all that moisture to come out so it gets firm like that. Alright. And then we take this, put it on top, apply weight in our hands, and then we put it in the fridge. It just sits. It's simple, really easy, right? We'll slice some of this up and try it here in just a minute.
Sweet.